Sir, one question for you. Like, what are the reading practices you want to suggest the young generation who are seeking knowledge and inner balance, both?
I would suggest, there are many spiritual books. I would suggest one spiritual book of Srila Prabhupada. He wrote a book called Science of Self-Realization. It's a very interesting book, and it's about Prabhupada talking to scientists, politicians, religious leaders from around the world, newspaper reporters. So they used to ask very, very relevant questions that is in the minds of young people too, and Prabhupada would answer them from all the spiritual wisdom that he had. So and that was compiled and made into a book. So I would recommend strongly the book Science of Self-Realization by Srila Prabhupada.
Okay, sir. And one more question for you, sir. Like, you are a historian also, and you also wrote books. So, what are the responsibilities author has to face while presenting and interpreting history?
I think obviously, they always say there is no such thing as truth, right? Because it's a perspective. Different people have perspectives to the same thing. So as a historian, our duty is to what we call triangulate everything. In the sense, whenever we are recording something in any of the books we write, we note not only what we have discovered, but also what other people were saying about the same thing, right? So that we get a full picture. Perspectives may differ, but we need to try and present a holistic picture, and therefore we try to source it from at least three sources, so to speak. Any incident that we write about, this is basic historical training, triangulating all facts and all perspectives that we present in a book. So, for instance, when I wrote Sing, Dance and Pray about the life of Srila Prabhupada, I not only looked at what Srila Prabhupada himself wrote and the disciples of Srila Prabhupada wrote and people in ISKCON wrote, but I also looked at newspapers in New York of that time, what they were writing, magazines in different parts of the world, what they were writing, videos, news channels which were talking about Srila Prabhupada and his work, what they were saying, to get a holistic picture.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.